Explore top-rated sawhorses for your woodworking and DIY projects. Discover sturdy, adjustable sawhorses that provide reliable support and stability for various tasks. Compare lightweight yet durable options that are easy to transport and set up on job sites or in your workshop. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best sawhorses you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The Bora Portamate Speedhorse XT stands out as a top choice among sawhorses, ranking 5th for its exceptional features. Its standout feature is the 6-inch height adjustment capability, allowing precise customization from 30 to 36 inches with effortless slide and lock technology. This flexibility ensures optimal working conditions, enhancing project efficiency. Designed for rugged environments, the Speedhorse XT offers individual leg adjustment to accommodate uneven terrain, ensuring a stable platform for workbenches or cutting stations. What sets it apart is its rapid setup time of just 1.6 seconds, facilitated by Vevor quick-release deploy technology, a remarkable 30 times faster than traditional sawhorses. With a best-in-class capacity, each adjustable stand can support up to 1,800 pounds. Totaling 3,600 pounds for a set of 2. The 45-inch length and pre-drilled top further enhance stability, making it ideal for heavy-duty tasks without requiring assembly. The Vevor folding work table stands out as the 4th best among sawhorses for its dual functionality as both a workbench and sawhorse. Designed for portability, it effortlessly transitions between configurations with a quick folding mechanism and a convenient bottom handle, ensuring easy transport and storage even in compact spaces. Safety is prioritized with a user-friendly setup that eliminates any risk of pinching during assembly or disassembly. What sets this table apart is its versatility. Featuring a 7-level height adjustment capability ranging from 23.6 inches to 36 inches, it accommodates various tasks, whether seated or standing. A robust load capacity of 1,000 pounds ensures it can handle heavy-duty projects, supported by a flat MDF tabletop and durable steel legs that offer stability and longevity. For those needing expanded workspace, the table's large area tabletop facilitates seamless connection of multiple units. This feature is particularly beneficial for both DIY enthusiasts and professional workshops alike, enhancing productivity and flexibility. Introducing the Bora Sawhorse PM 3350T, ranked as the number 3 best in its class. Engineered for rugged performance, this workhorse is more than just a tool. It's your partner on the job site. Constructed from robust steel, it stands strong against the toughest tasks, boasting a hefty weight capacity of 2,700 pounds per pair. The Sawhorse PM 3350T features quick latch release legs for swift setup, ensuring you're ready to work without delay. Its easy fold legs facilitate efficient teardown when the job is done, complemented by pre-drilled top and end brackets that streamline assembly. With a heavy-duty 1,350 pounds weight capacity per sawhorse, it's engineered to handle demanding loads with ease, making it indispensable for professionals who rely on durability and efficiency. Whether you're framing, cutting, or assembling, the Bora Sawhorse PM 3350T is designed to meet the challenges of any job site. Built to last and engineered for convenience, it's the ultimate choice for those who demand reliability and performance from their tools. Presenting the Pony Portable Folding Sawhorse, ranked as the number 2 best sawhorse. This versatile 2-in-1 work table effortlessly transforms between a sturdy sawhorse and a functional workbench, offering unparalleled adaptability for diverse work environments. Engineered for strength, it boasts a robust aluminum leg frame that enhances durability and supports up to 500 pounds as a table and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. Adjustability is key with this folding workbench, offering 6 height settings ranging from 30 to 35 inches, catering to various tasks from garage repairs to garden projects. This flexibility not only accommodates different work scenarios, but also ensures ergonomic comfort across different project sizes. The work table itself measures 31 by 25 inches, providing ample space for tasks requiring both precision and efficiency. Equipped with quick clamps and holding pegs, the Pony Sawhorse enhances workflow efficiency by securely gripping materials, whether sawing, sanding, or assembling. Say hello to the Bora Portamate PM 4000, the ultimate companion for precision and durability in sawhorses. Crafted from robust tubular steel with a sleek, powder-coated finish, this stand sets the standard for reliability, supporting up to 500 pounds effortlessly. Engineered to accommodate miter saws up to 12 inches, including compound sliding models, it ensures stability and safety during every cut. Setting up is a breeze with its intuitive design. Simply unfold the legs, secure them with snap pins, and you're ready to work. When the job is done, the stand folds neatly into a compact size and weighs just 30 pounds without a saw, making it easy to transport and store between uses. Versatility is key with the PM 4000. Its quick-attach saw mounts facilitate swift assembly and disassembly of your tools, allowing you to customize your workspace effortlessly. With optional mount sets available, you can expand your tool repertoire, adapting the stand to fit your evolving needs seamlessly. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.